Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. What if one prayer could change your relationship forever? Allow every word to become a bridge back to peace. I am sorry for the pain I have carried in my heart. Please forgive every wound that still longs to be healed. Thank you for reminding me that love begins within me. I love the peace growing inside my heart. I am sorry for expecting others to heal what only I can heal. Please forgive my attachment to old disappointments. Thank you for teaching me emotional freedom. I love choosing peace over pain. I am sorry for every moment I abandoned myself. Please forgive the times I ignored my own heart. Thank you for bringing me back to myself. I am honoring my emotions with compassion. I am sorry for love had to hurt. Please forgive the stories that taught me suffering. Thank you for revealing a gentle way to love. I love relationships built on trust and kindness. I am sorry for holding on to resentment. Please forgive my resistance to forgiveness. Thank you for softening my heart. I love releasing what no longer serves me. I am sorry for judging myself so harshly. Please forgive every critical thought. Thank you for teaching me self compassion. I love accepting myself completely. I am sorry for fearing vulnerability. Please forgive the walls around my heart. Thank you for making it safe to love again. I love opening my heart with courage. I am sorry for trying to control every outcome. Please forgive my need for certainty. Thank you for helping me trust divine timing. I love surrendering with faith. I am sorry for forgetting what I deserve healthy love. Please forgive every belief that said otherwise. Thank you for reminding me of my worth. I love attaching relationships filled with respect, honesty, and unconditional love. I am sorry for every expectation that created distance between us. Please forgive my need to always be understood. Thank you for teaching me to listen with compassion. I love creating space for honest conversations. I am sorry for the times fear speaks louder than love. Please forgive my defensive heart. Thank you for replacing fear with understanding. I love responding with patience. I am sorry for every silent wound I never expressed. Please forgive the pain I kept hidden. Thank you for giving me the courage to be authentic. I love expressing my feeling with kindness. I am sorry for believing I wasn't lovable. Please forgive the lies I accepted about myself. Thank you for reminding me that I am deeply loved. I love embracing my true worth. I am sorry for carrying yesterday into today. Please forgive my attachment to old memories. Thank you for the gifts of fresh beginning. I love living fully in the present moment. I am sorry for closing my heart after disappointment. Please forgive the fear of being hurt again. Thank you for restoring my faith in love. I love trusting love again. I am sorry for judging myself through someone else's action. Please forgive the stories I created from rejection. Thank you for showing me my value never changes. I love seeing myself through loving eyes. I am sorry for forgetting that forgiveness is freedom. Please forgive every burden I continue to carry. Thank you for helping me let go with grace. I love the lightness forgiveness brings. I am sorry for resisting the lessons love has taught me. Please forgive my unwillingness to grow. Thank you for transforming every challenge into wisdom. I love becoming a more loving version of myself. I am sorry for a moment. I choose fear instead of love. Please forgive the distance my fear created. Thank you for teaching me to lead with my heart. I love becoming a safe place for love. I am sorry for every promise I made to protect my heart by closing it. Please forgive the walls I built around my emotions. Thank you for showing me that true love begins with openness. I love welcoming love with courage. I am sorry for expecting perfection from myself and others. Please forgive the pressure I placed on love. Thank you for helping me embrace imperfect, beautiful connections. I love growing together with grace. I am sorry for forgetting to appreciate the people who love me. Please forgive my moments of taking love for granted. Thank you for every kind soul in my life. I love expressing gratitude every day. I am sorry for allowing past heartbreak to shape my future. Please forgive the pain that lingered too long. Thank you for healing what I couldn't heal alone. I love trusting that my heart is whole again. I am sorry for doubting that healthy love exists. Please forgive the hopelessness I carried. Thank you for restoring my faith in genuine connections. I love believing in lasting, peaceful relationships. I am sorry for every time I abandoned my own happiness. Please forgive the choices I made from fear instead of self love. Thank you for teaching me to choose myself with compassion. I love honoring my heart without guilt. I am sorry for forgetting that every relationship is a teacher. Please forgive my resistance to life's lessons. Thank you for every experience that helped me grow. I love the wisdom love has given me. I am sorry for every illusion that separated me from love. Please forgive every belief that told me I was alone. Thank you for filling my heart with unconditional love. I love the beautiful relationships I am creating, beginning with the relationship I have with myself. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. Feel your heart becoming lighter. Feel peace replacing pain. Feel forgiveness creating space for love. Remember, the relationship you have with yourself is the foundation of every relationship you will ever experience. As you heal your heart, you change the energy you bring into every conversation, every connection, and every relationship. May love replace fear. May compassion replace resentment. May peace become your new beginning. Thank you for praying with me today. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Until we meet again, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for being here.